So this is A2Pure. We are on Unit 2 trig, and we're now looking at solution of trig equations using our compound angle formula and our double angle formula. You hopefully recognize this: cos theta cos 30 minus sine theta sine 30. We can use our compound angle formula, which is cos A plus B equals cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. I hope you recognize the similarity between this here and this here, where A then is going to be our theta and our B is going to be our 30. So I can rewrite this question effectively then as cos theta plus 30 equals a half. Now, it's a sort of one where you might want to change your range, but we're going to work away regardless, and then maybe kind of change at the end. The other thing you might want to do is let, and I'll do this actually, let theta plus 30 equals x, and I'm going to solve it for x, and then work out from there. So x is cos the minus 1 of a half, which is of course 60 degrees. So putting that into our cast diagram, it's minus 180 and 180. So we have C A S T 0 90. You can see the bottom there, okay. 180 minus 180 minus 90, and we want to know where cos is positive, so it is there and there. So that's a 60, and that then is a minus 60. So what I have, my values for x then are 60 and x is minus 60. That means that theta plus 30 is equal to 60. That means theta is 30, and that means theta plus 30 equals minus 60, and that means theta then is minus 90. So the two angles in that work for that are 30 and minus 90. Second example, again hopefully you recognize this again as our cos compound angle formula. Let's multiply it out and see what we have, and see if we can tidy some stuff up. This is a tough enough question, I think, if you don't know what you're doing. So cos theta cos 60 minus sine theta sine 60 equals sine theta. Cos of 60 is a half, so it's going to be a half cos theta. Sine of 60 is root 3 over 2. Sine theta equals sine theta. Let's see what we can do here. I'm going to take this over to here, so we have a half cos theta equals sine theta plus root 3 over 2 sine theta. We can also times by 2 to try and tidy things up. I'll do that in a wee second. Cos theta is 1 plus root 3 over 2 upon sine theta. And we know that sine over cos is tan, so I'm going to divide through by the cos to stick it there, and then divide by this bit to put it over here. So I'm then going to have a half. Let's give myself a bit more space here because I'm dividing through by that. A half all over 1 plus root 3 over 2 equals tan theta. So what I've done, I've divided by this bracket to put it down here, and I've divided by cos theta, so sine over cos then is tan, and we end up then with that. We could tidy things up. If I times top and bottom with fractions within fractions and all sorts of messes here, but if I times top and bottom then by 2, I get 1 over 2 plus root 3. Theta then is tan to minus 1 of 1 over 2 plus root 3. Of course you can't see a thing. apologies, that's what we have here. So we've tan theta, I've times top and bottom here by 2, and we end up then with that. If you do that on your calculator, believe it or not, theta then is 15 degrees, and we're trying to answer that then between 0 and 360. So we're here to do a small cast diagram. C A S T 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. I have this one and I have this one, so I want this angle here and I want this angle here. So my values of theta then are 15 degrees, 195 degrees.